Welcome to Internet Dash Tutors. Today I am going to speak you one interview questions. What is the difference between where and having clause in SQL? It has been asked in the fresher also, experience also, and intermediate also. So where first point is that where it is used to filter the rows before grouping. Having it is used to filter the groups after aggregation or grouping. Second difference is where it applies condition on the individual rows. Having it applies condition on the group data which is after group by clause. Third point is that where it cannot be used with the aggregate function like sum, average and count directly. Having it can be used with the aggregate function like sum, average and count. Fourth, where which rows should enter the group. Having which group should remain after grouping. So these are the 4 points of the difference between where and having clause in SQL. Mostly the 4 point ask questions to you, so you should understand the 4 question of where and having and try to apply whatever the concept you have learned in the section of where and having. Try to answer yourself only. So one should understand the knowledge of where and having and understood this question. Ask yourself whether this question is right or wrong. Please try to comment in the comment section. I am waiting for your questions to be asked in the comments. Example of where clause: select star from EMP where department is equal to sales. Query: pull only those employees who belong to the sales department. Filtering will happen on the rows of the table. Example of having clause: select department count as employee count from EMP group by department having count greater than 5. The above query groups employee by department first and then filter only those departments which are having more than 5 employees. I hope that you have understood by this example. Please try to subscribe my YouTube channel Internet Dash Tutors, where you get a plenty of SQL questions and answers for the interview to get prepared and great ready for the interview. Thank you for watching this video from beginning to end. Please like to share as much as possible this video. Thank you for watching.